I am so excited to be making this video because me and Mum are on our way to Iceland. We've just parked the car at the place near the terminal and we're about to get on the bus and then go to Luton Airport. We haven't flown from Luton Airport before, so let's see what it's like. Can't wait. I'm going to be in Iceland tonight. We might see the Northern Lights tonight.
Might do.
I can't wait, but that will be in a different vlog, so this is the travel part of it. Let's go. We have arrived at Luton Airport and it's all decorated for Christmas, which I think is so cute. See, is our plane on there? Yeah, Reykjavik is on there. Just there. Just says relax. I think we're way too far away from the time. We are at the airport now and I like it. You should be in them. Get involved. Oh, we're early, so we have just changed up some money and we're gonna maybe get a Starbucks or something whilst we wait, so we can't check in yet. We've had a very leisurely morning actually. We've took the car off, we've got McDonald's breakfast and now we're here, so it's all nice and relaxed. We just dropped our bags off. We did have a quick Starbucks, had a nice mint tea. Forgot to vlog in there, don't know why, but now we are off to security. Duty free time.
Sorry.
It's alright.
I'm excited to see the next shop.
Yeah, that is exciting. So Mum's got her foundation and now we're just in the airport. We're going to try and get some food to take through with us to probably eat on the other side when we get hungry later. So it's like quite a good airport actually. Everyone was saying it's tiny, but big enough. It's got 2 WH Smiths anyway. So why do they need to put 2 in? Yeah, they've even got Krispy Kreme. Tempting. So we've chosen to come and sit for a little drink and it's really nice. Just picked up our meal deal. We've been given our gate number, it's number 4, so we are heading there now. We're ready to get on the plane and go to Iceland, pretty much. Enjoyed our little drink and a little snack. Yeah, it was. And this airport is so much quieter than Gatwick, which everyone always says that Gatwick is really, really busy, but that's the one we always go to, so I don't really know any different. But this one is much more of like a chilled vibe here, so yeah, it's nice. Boarded the plane now and I haven't flown EasyJet in a very long time. Not quite as comfy as a 2-in plane, 3-hour flight, it'll be fine. Yeah, really excited to get there now, can't wait. Hopefully get a nap on the plane, we shall see. I just said to Mum, that's ice over there, and she went, "God, I think we're in Iceland." Funny you are. What did you just say?
I said, is he going to be there? That dude in the poster.
How gorgeous is this airport? So lovely. They're really friendly as well. Yeah, let's go there. Snacks, bounty bar. Oh, controversial one at the minute. Huh? Everyone's on about bounties as to whether they like them or not because of the celebrations box. I love a bounty.
Not like them. There's 2 in there and there's 2 in there. Do you want to share? What do you want first?
Bounty. What would you like first, actually? So we're actually going to ask that. Oh, it matches my nails. We've landed, by the way, if you didn't guess.
Hey.
And we have matching pencils. I think that's very cute. Matching nails. We are matching boots as well, so we are very much twins.
Oh, that's good. They're also blonde. Isn't that brilliant?
Yeah, we blend right in. I'm very excited. There is frost on the ground. No snow. But we're just waiting for the rest of our group to be in the bus. So I'll update you in a bit. How cold is it going to be? I think it's about -1 at the minute. It's a bit breezy. Although it got quite hot on the plane, so it's quite refreshing. This is really cute. We've literally just got off the bus and this is the bus stop right here and this is our hotel. It's the Storm Hotel, great angles. Yeah, let's go and check in. So just got into our room. I really like their doors actually, they're cute. They have a full-length mirror, which is excellent to know. Tea and coffee all up there. I'm very short, but that's fine. Little wardrobe, getting ready area. The bed looks really cute. It looks comfy actually. The only thing I did notice when I searched online is that there's a getting ready area, but the mirror's not right above, so if you want to sit and do your makeup, bring a mirror. And this is the bathroom, so you've got a shower and all your other stuff. You've got towels, shower gel, you've got a hairdryer down there, soap and all of that. So yeah, I think it's really cute. You've also got some hooks over here to hang your coats on, which is very helpful.
Big for, things,
yeah, I hung it up with my hood.
Right.
Yeah, because they're quite large, as you can see. Very comfy though. Don't know why. Sorry. Go on, carry on. And now I've